So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can install GCam on your brand new Xiaomi 15. Now this will also function on the Ultra version of this phone, so you can do that as well on that if you want to. But I have not tested it out, so I don't know how well it will work. I know that for the Xiaomi 15 specifically, GCam seems to be working flawlessly. And I will be showing you that once I show you how you can download this, and also where you can download it from. So that will be closer to the end. And I won't be really taking independent photos and giving side by side. I'm just going to kind of showcase a couple of the lenses that they work and that the video. That from my experience, I think that usually didn't work. So let's open up our browser and just search for, let me just back out. So you'll search for GCam Xiaomi. So we're just going to select the first option, and in here, from the list, find your Xiaomi device. So that's, like I mentioned, 15 for me. The Ultra is a little bit higher. And next, just flick down till you see the icon of a GCam and select the first blue button. The download would be as a GCam 9.6 APK. Now, this might be a different number for you. It doesn't really matter. And then in here, we're gonna now just keep on scrolling down. You'll see a bunch of links right here, downloads. You'll see things like the OnePlus versions of it, Realme, and then we should have Xiaomi. Now here, we have several different versions of it from, I think those are like different creators, developers. So you can check out multiple of them, see which one you like the most, which one works best for you, as not all of them will work the same way. Now, from my experience, the best one is the BSG MGC. This is the one that looks also the closest to typical Google camera. And for me, at least on the version of this phone that it is right now, seems to be working flawlessly with everything like different lenses working, videos working, and selfie working. I'm putting that out because I checked a couple of these as well. And for instance, one application might not have a functional video recording. The other one might not be working with different lenses. So find whichever one works for you. And this might change which one works best with future update. With the release of this device, for me, that is, like I mentioned, this one right over here. So you're just going to click on this one, download again, or download anyway in your case, whatever it's going to show up, and select details. You can see it's downloading. It's about 0.5 GB. So now that it's done downloading, you just want to click on it, install. Now it might show up, there we go, with this kind of window. You're going to click on more details and then select install anyway. Confirm your screen like if you want it. And then you can click on open. And this is our, once we agree to everything, there we go. This is our GCam fully working. So I'm going to lift it up, and I'm not going to be taking any kind of photos as a comparison. I'm just going to kind of flick through the different lenses so you can see the 0.1 or 1.0 works, 0.6 works, the 2.6 works, 2x zoom, video. So yeah, everything seems to be working just fine. Now, the lack of focus that you're seeing is just because I have a locked focus. So when I move the phone closer to the lens, it's just the phone isn't focusing on it. So don't worry about that one. The camera seems to be working just fine. So to sum this up, GCam works fine. You do have basically all the options right here for 4K and all that stuff. What you might be missing right here is some of the Xiaomi options, for instance, like log recording, that gives you this more detailed videos that is only, as far as I can tell, supported with their default camera and not with something like GCam. But if you like the colors and all that stuff that GCam does, it works fantastically here. So, if you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.